Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss here about describing words. Let's start now. Describing words tell us something about naming words. These words tell us about color, size, shape, texture or other things about naming words. Describing word is generally used before a naming word, but sometimes it is used after the naming word also. Here look at the picture. He is a strong man. Here the word strong is used to describe the health of the man. This is the picture of a tall tree. This is a tall tree. Here just look. Tall is describing the size of the tree. This is the picture of a blue sky. So I see the blue sky. Here blue is describing the color of the sky. So blue is the describing word. This is a red cap. Here red is describing the color of the cap. So red is describing word here. The ball is round in shape. Here round is used to describe the size and shape of the ball. So round is describing word here. This is the picture of a sunny day. It is a sunny day. So in this sentence, sunny is used to describe the nature of the day. So sunny is the describing word here. This is the picture of a very old car. This is an old car. So in this sentence, old is used here to describe the nature of the car. So old is the describing word here. This is the picture of a small plant. This is a small plant. So in this sentence, small is used to describe the size of the plant. So small is the describing word here. This is the picture of a fat man. He is a fat man. So here fat is used to describe the size and health of the man. So fat is the describing word here. His house is big. So this is the picture of a big house. His house is big. So in this sentence, big is used to describe the size of the house. So big is the describing word here. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find the video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel for more such exciting videos. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.